Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make Elevenlabs voices sound better. Make sure to follow all the steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. Let's jump right in. In case you guys don't have an Elevenlabs account, I will provide a link in description as well. You guys can go and sign up from there. Now once you have done that, here I have written some simple text. If you guys are wondering, this is text to speech feature. Now I will go and hit generate here.
I am really excited.
Now this is the default voice generated by Elevenlabs AI. What we can do is go to settings here. Now here we would play with these three. I have personally used it, and whenever you decrease stability, it sounds a bit more natural, and you can also decrease this a little bit similarity and add a bit of exaggeration. Now we will go here and hit regenerate speech. It will take a few seconds, and
I am really excited.
now if you compare this with the previous one, you can go back to the video. This sounds very more natural than the previous one. And that's the only way you can go and make these voices a little bit better than before. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.